Alright y'all, so today we are continuing our 12 days of Christmas, and on day 10 we are going to be making apple roasted cranberry chicken. For this we have 3 chicken breasts. I have 3 because it's how many people I'm feeding. I have some light brown sugar, some cranberries, apple, olive oil, apple cider, garlic, chicken broth, and a little bit of fresh rosemary. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so on a medium-high heat, we have our cast iron skillet, and we put enough olive oil in it just to coat the bottom of the pan. We're going to take a tablespoon of garlic, and we're going to take about a tablespoon of rosemary sprigs, once our oil's hot, we're going to go ahead, we're going to put in our chicken. And we're going to cook this on a medium-high heat for about 5 minutes on each side. While our chicken is cooking, we're going to take our apple. You can peel it if you want. We're just going to thinly slice it up. Once we have our apples sliced up, we're going to go ahead and take a mixing bowl, drop it in. We are going to take a cup of our cranberries, frozen or fresh, and we're going to take a quarter of a cup of our brown sugar, and we're just going to give these a quick toss and sit to the side. Alright y'all, so I lost footage somewhere along the line, so let me catch you up. After cooking it for about 5 minutes on each side, we went ahead, pulled off our chicken breast, cut the heat off, we put half a cup of chicken broth and half a cup of apple cider in there, put our chicken back in the pan, and then just put our apple cranberry mixture over the top. So, once our chicken's done cooking, pull it off. Half a cup of apple cider, half a cup of chicken broth in the pan, deglaze it real quick. Put your chicken back in, then your cranberry apple mixture over the top. Cut the heat. We've preheated our oven to 400 degrees. We're going to throw this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until that chicken temperature comes up. You're looking for an internal temperature of 165. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so after about 28 minutes, mine is done. All we have left to do is go ahead and serve it with your favorite holiday side dishes. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here YouTube thinks you should watch, and until next time, keep on cooking on.